How to find someone's birthday on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to find someone's birthday on Instagram, first of all, we have to launch the Instagram application. So tap on it and then make sure that you're logged into your account. And then first of all, what you need to do is just tap on the explore page or the search bar over here at the bottom. And as you tap on that, you can just search for the person that you want to find the birthday of. So as you can see on this profile, the birth date is mentioned clearly in the bio. So due to this, finding the birthday on Instagram becomes easier. So this is one of the way. Next, what you can do is simply tap on their tagged photos option, which is mentioned here. So tap on that and you'll be able to see a lot of photos that they have been tagged. So during this, you can also see the photos during their birthdays. So that could be another way. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.